Lava. Where is she going? Where is she going? No, no, no. Good morning, guys. It's 12 o'clock and she's still sleeping. And yep, starting the vlog. Hi guys. Okay, so it's almost midnight and we have made some arrangements for her birthday, so we'll show you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So hi guys, so this is my first ever vlog and I really have no idea how to vlog, so adjust panikonga. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna show you what we're doing the whole day, as today's Anne's birthday and we're gonna like go out after like ages due to quarantine. So we're just gonna go out, roam, have fun. So we'll just share it with you guys. We'll take you along with us and yeah, have fun. Okay, so let's go make some coffee. What's coffee? Can't wake up in the morning without it. So let's make some coffee. So had my coffee and our next routine of the day is to water our babies. To you, happy birthday. Woohoo! Happy birthday to you. Yo! Okay, so we're out for birthday lunch and birthday girl. Happy Hello, birthday. Thank you. Hi guys, we're here. It's been half an hour. We still have a lot of food. Now lunch, so we're gonna go take some rest and then we're gonna go eat ice cream. Yum. I'm so excited, still excited. Yo! Okay, so you can see we're all ready to go to Marina Mall.
I'm so excited again.
And yes, so it's raining crazy, so we're just going like this and okay, we'll see you guys when we go to the mall. Okay, so we're finally here and it was raining, so we're all wet. Oh no. Well, yeah, so we're just here and we're gonna roam around.
I'm excited again.
That's like our only dialogue. I'm excited. I'm excited. Crazy. girls. That's the washroom. You do know that, right? Oh God. We are in the mall and we're going to play a short game of dares. So yeah, yeah, girls, we're going to play something called the dares. So we give each other dares and yeah, let's see who does it. Okay, so this is our first dare, and since it's her birthday, the birthday girl is going to do the first dare. And the dare is basically, there's a cookie shop over there. So she has to go to the shop and ask her Anna, "Hi Anna, today's my birthday, can I have a cookie for free?" Okay, so are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, let's get into the dare. Waiting for the customer to leave. Okay. Oh my God, she gets a sample for free. So dare completed, unsuccessful. Come, let's go get a free cookie. High five. For the birthday girl.
First dare done.
First dare done and successful.
Yeah.
That was so sweet.
Yeah, it was really sweet of him.
Shada, the escalator is lava. It's lava. It's lava, lava. They are elder than me and I'm the one babysitting them, by the way. Okay, alright, that's enough. We're on to the second dare for Shraddha. Okay, so basically your dare is, you have to go to Max, okay, go to the baby section, get the smallest cloth that you can, go to one of their employees and be like, "Will this fit me?"
Okay.
Okay, alright, so let's get into the second dare. Yeah, okay, done. Show that. Okay, so that's what she's gonna ask. Okay, go. And the floor is lava. Where is she going? No. Where is she going? Okay, so now it's Shwetika's turn and she has to skip around the mall saying, "Oh my God, what a beautiful world." Like that. Okay, let's go. Oh God. Okay, so we have finally finished all our 3 days and we are gonna go have some ice cream now. Okay, so finally we have reached Cold Stone. I ordered cheesecake with chocolate chip. I ordered cake butter. And we ordered fudge brownie batter. So we're gonna have our ice cream.
This laugh. I'm sorry.
And you did it right from the start. And you did it right from the start.
Oh God. Wow. Awesome. Shatan and the elevator is lava.
Is as normal, missing someone.
Too tired for life. And the mall is like literally closed and we're still here. And I think they're gonna kick us out and then only we'll probably like leave. Social distancing. Shada, go there. Shada, no! Okay, so we're finally out of the mall. More like they kicked us out because the mall is closed and we have no other option but to leave. So we're done for the day. Not for the entire day, just in the mall. We're gonna go home and then have some fun. And yeah, that's the birthday girl. I don't know why she's holding two shoes in her hand. Anyways, okay, so we'll see you at home. What was that?
What was that?
Yay! Oh, so we're back home and we're gonna have a dinner now.
Yes.
Yes, we ordered lasagna. So we all ordered lasagna and we're gonna have dinner now and we had so much fun today. How was your day, Anne?
Very good. I feel I'm going to do
Oh, very nice. So that's like a perfect birthday.
Instagram party vaadala nama vaadum nimishathalla suttu tallala.
For the day and our first vlog has come to an end. I really hope you guys had fun because we had like a lot of fun.
Yes.
I mean, you should say it was your birthday. How was it?
Yes. It was wonderful.
Yay! Success! Okay, fine. So we really hope you guys had fun and yeah, if you guys did like it, then comment down below whether we have to do more such vlogs and we'll definitely do it. So yeah, see you guys.
Bye.